Do you think that AI is replacing the junior developer?
I think there are cases where companies are slowing down hiring junior developers, but I think that's a mistake. I think AI doesn't have the same accountability that a human has. You still want for the vast majority of changes to have a human being that you can look to and who you can trust. I would say these agents they feel kind of alien, right? It's hard to trust them in the same way you can trust a human. Having human beings guiding these agents and working with these agents is super important. And I think, as an industry, we need to make sure we're still creating a pipeline of talent, or bringing up the next generation, right? They certainly need to be trained on using agents. They need to be, very fluent in this technology. But I think the idea of like replacing engineers with agents is kind of silly. It's kind of a pipe dream. I think we're going to be able to get a lot more done, but there are just aspects of the job that can't really be replaced.